Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Today we're cooking up something special, delicious and healthy energy balls that kids will love. These snacks are a perfect balance of taste and nutrition, a treat that can be enjoyed guilt-free. The ingredients you need for this recipe are dates, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, chocolate chips, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Starting with the dates, ensure to remove the pits and peel them. These sweet and sticky fruits are the secret to the natural sweetness in our energy balls. Moving on to the next step, it's time to blend. Take all your ingredients, the dates, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, chocolate chips, and coconut oil, and put them into a food processor. Blend them until you get a well-mixed, sticky consistency. This should take about 5 minutes. Once your mixture is ready, transfer it into a bowl. Now comes the fun part, shaping the snack. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into bite-sized balls. This is a task that kids absolutely love to do. And voila! Here are your energy balls, looking as cute as they are tasty. Packed with healthy ingredients, they're a hit with kids, who will enjoy making them as much as they love eating them. For that extra touch of fun, these energy balls can be served in cupcake wrappers. Want to add a bit more flavor? Sprinkle some shredded coconut on top, or, if you prefer, they're just as delicious served plain. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and healthy snack that kids will adore. Perfect for a school lunch or a snack at home, these energy balls are a winner. Enjoy your cooking adventure and most importantly, enjoy these delightful energy balls.